Rooibos tea is a type of herbal tea that is made from the leaves of the Aspalathus linearis plant. This tea originates from South Africa, and is becoming increasingly popular in other parts of the world due to its many health benefits. Some of the most notable benefits of Rooibos tea include its ability to boost heart health, improve skin complexion, and reduce stress levels. Health benefits of Rooibos tea. Anti-inflammatory properties. Rooibos tea is a great choice for those looking to reduce inflammation. The antioxidants in Rooibos tea can help to decrease inflammation throughout the body. Rooibos tea has also been shown to be effective in reducing the symptoms of arthritis. Heart health. Rooibos tea is good for your heart. The antioxidants in Rooibos tea can help to lower blood pressure and improve blood circulation. Rooibos tea is also low in calories and sodium, which are both risk factors for heart disease. Weight loss. Rooibos tea can help with weight loss. The antioxidants in Rooibos tea can help to boost metabolism and burn fat. Rooibos tea is also a natural diuretic, which means it helps to flush out excess water and toxins from the body. Cancer prevention. Rooibos tea has been shown to have cancer preventative properties. The antioxidants in Rooibos tea can help to protect cells from damage and reduce the risk of cancer. Rooibos tea has also been shown to inhibit the growth of cancer cells. Digestive health. Rooibos tea is good for your digestive health. The antioxidants in Rooibos tea can help to relieve stomach cramps and bloating. Rooibos tea is also a natural laxative, which can help to relieve constipation. Skin health. Rooibos tea is good for your skin. The antioxidants in Rooibos tea can help to protect the skin from damage and reduce the appearance of wrinkles. Rooibos tea is also a natural anti-inflammatory, which can help to reduce the redness and swelling of acne. Caffeine-free. Rooibos tea is a great choice for those looking for a healthy beverage option. Rooibos tea is naturally caffeine-free and is rich in antioxidants, which makes it a great choice for those looking for a healthy beverage option. Like pregnant women, people who are sensitive to caffeine, and children. How to make Rooibos tea. This tea is also low in calories and contains no caffeine, making it a great choice for those who are looking for a healthy alternative to coffee or other sugary drinks. There are a few simple steps that you can follow to make a perfect cup of Rooibos tea. The first step is to gather the necessary supplies. You will need 1 teaspoon of Rooibos tea leaves, 1 cup of water, a teapot or teacup, a strainer. The next step is to boiling the water. Place the water in a teapot or teacup and bring it to a boil. Once the water has reached a boiling point, remove it from the heat and let it cool for about 30 seconds. This will ensure that your tea does not become bitter. The third step is to add the Rooibos tea leaves. Once the water has cooled, add the Rooibos tea leaves to the pot or cup. If you are using a teapot, be sure to put the leaves in the strainer so that they do not end up in your cup. The fourth step is to steep the tea. Cover the pot or cup and let the tea steep for 3 to 5 minutes. The fifth step is to enjoy your tea. After the tea has steeped, remove the lid and enjoy your delicious cup of Rooibos tea. You can add milk, honey, or lemon to your tea if you like, but it is not necessary. Tell us in comments if you want a video on any health topic. For more informative videos, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for future notifications.